Hi everyone, this is my third day on my farm. I'm so excited to show you around. It's absolutely beautiful out here today and so happy to share it with you. Let's take a walk and see the different plants. Look at these beautiful orange flowers, and over here are the lovely purple ones. The walk continues and now we're heading to my vegetable garden. Come with me, I'll finally show you something interesting. Follow me. Hey everyone, welcome to the pig barn. Look how cute they are. They're so lively today. It will be even more